Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a refund. So we're gonna log in as a manager. Now manager gonna have access to functions, and under functions we're gonna go to refunds. Here we're gonna click new. We're gonna find the transaction. We're gonna select a date where original transaction was made on. In this case it's 11th. Okay, I'm gonna hit OK. It's gonna tell us select the payment to reapply, and now we're just gonna go and search for that original transaction that we're trying to make a refund on. In this case it's check 70, so we're gonna scroll down to check 70. Right there it is, and we verified the last 4 digits of the credit card, the amount. Now we're gonna hit OK, apply refund payment. We're gonna say yes, and right here we're gonna put the amount. How much are we wanting to refund? In this case the site is wanting to refund the whole thing, so we're gonna put 57.73, and we're gonna hit OK. It's gonna verify it and approve. Alright, now the refund has been saved. It will be processed on today's batch